Alright, so explain ko lang itong setup, short setup sa pound USD. So unang-una na ginagawa ko is tinitingnan ko muna yung usually weekly na chart, daily or weekly. But ito usually ginagawa ko during the weekend or before mag-start yung trading day. At makikita nyo naman sa daily na itong area na to. So, okay, so uptrend and then later on, yung month of December up to the present ay naging sideways yung price action. So meron tayo ditong high, meron tayo ditong low. At looks like itong leg na to ay hindi pa tapos and it looks like yung pound USD is still heading sa level na to, so much lower. But later on, we don't know. Baka pwede itong mag-bounce sa support area na to. So, the key point here is that downtrending itong leg na yan. So, magpunta tayo sa 4 hours, klarong-klaro na downtrend. So, downtrend trade yung gagawin natin. Sa weekly naman na weekly na duration, I mean itong high and low week, ito yung red previous week, high and low, and the 2 weeks previous 2 weeks high and low. As you can see ay pababa yung trend, di ba? And then dito natapos pa lang ng 1, 2, 3 pump and then dump. So nandito tayo sa dump. Ayan. So sa 30 minutes, ito na ngayon yung previous week high. Ito. And then ito yung previous week low sa baba. Previous week low. And so maaaring maging target ito ng mga shorts kasi meron tayong liquidity sa baba nitong weekly low, previous week low. So nandito yung separator natin. Lalagyan natin yung separator, which usually color it with red. And ito yung Friday box. Ito naman yung Monday. Sorry. Monday. High and low. Monday box. Ito naman yung Tuesday. At ito yung Wednesday. So ano ba yung nangyari? So unang-una, reference point natin yung Friday at Monday kasi ito yung initial balance. So nag-break yung Monday sa high ng Friday and I call that as D1L, L for long. So pasok dito yung mga long trades. So pagka-breakout, usually magpo-pullback yan to retest yung origin of the breakout, which is ito. So meron tayong support dyan. So nandito yung mga breakout traders. At sa baba nitong breakout, support is liquidity. So may mga stop losses nakalagay. $1. So breakout and then nag-break din sa previous week high. So lalagyan natin itong PWH. Previous week high. So nag-break din sa previous week high until it reaches this point, which is actually the swing here before nag-drop. So may mga stop losses din dyan. Taas ito. stop loss. So, ngayon, na-liquidate sila. Then, ibinalik ng price yung price back to the origin. At then, na-stop out itong mga breakout traders. So, sa breakout traders, breakout trading, usually don't target or hold it for too long. As long as makakuha ako ng mga 2 or 3 hour, ayos na ako. Kasi usually pag unang-una, yung mga breakouts madalas nagpi-fail. Pangalawa, alam ng mga institutional trader na yung mga nakapasok dito ay naglalagay ng stop loss dito sa baba. So, binabalikan yan ng price para ma-liquidate sila. Anyway, so iyan ang naging price action sa Tuesday at mayroong atang news na lumabas after this. And by the way, take note, ito, ay tama, mayroon nga news dito. Ito yung USD interest rate lumabas, inflation rate news. So meron tayong indecision candle dito. Parang doji star. Mahaba yung wicks, maliit yung body. So, yeah. Okay, so ito naman yung Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, D1. Okay. At yung dito is, is this one. Kasi nag-breakout sa high ng Tuesday. D2L. So, D1L nag-break sa Friday high. D2L nag-break sa high ng Tuesday. Okay, so after day 2, day 3 na. So, day 3, reversal. So, yan, after third day of rise, huwag na nating bibilhin. Or after the third day of fall, huwag na nating isa-short kasi usually reversal ang magiging next niyan. So, yun nga, nagkaroon ng reversal after this news announcement. Nagkaroon muna ng parang hesitation kung ano ba talaga yung direction. But kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung range ng news announcement. Ito yung high and low. Then, nandito yung body. Sa body naman, merong high and low, including the wick of the next candles. So, as you can see, nagkaroon na ng hesitation. And then, actually, I traded this with a stop loss above this here, above the red. Anyway, short. So, ngayon, dahil ano na tayo, reversal. So, di ba, rise day 1, day 2, and day 3, and then reversal na. So, wag nating i-counter trade yan, especially if nag-break down sa dito. Especially after the breakdown of that. Kasi after that, ibig sabihin yan na nag-change na yung character ng trend from uptrend nagiging downtrend na. Okay, so ito naman yung today at that was really a huge move yesterday. Downtrend. So this is the second day trade. After the news announcement, we have here sign of reversal and weakness. Weakness of the buyers. So sellers yung nag-dominate, but the trade was more materializing on the next day. So today naman is actually just a continuation of this short. So yan ang i-explain ko kung paano ko nakuha yung setup. Okay, so back to this setting. So okay. I-delete muna natin yung mga necessary. Okay, nag-open yung day. So alam na natin na downtrend, di ba? So ito Asian range. Then wala din tayong break of the high and low of the day. So basically, just waiting lang tayo until such time Okay, i-delete ko muna yung mga boxes ko dito. Until such time na pumasok yung London. So again, I am just watching, no trade kasi hindi nag-break sa high and low of the day of the previous day. So itong high and low of the previous day hindi pa nagbe-break. But there is an interesting setup na kung saan na even if hindi pa nag-break sa high and low of the day, but of the previous day, but if there is a three push upwards, it can be a session trade. So this one. So ano yung three push? So as you can see, downtrend tayo, di ba? So unang push upwards is dito. First push, nag-break sa swing high dito and change of character na. Then second, break of the high of the London, the Asian. Then after the 1, 2, 3 push, 1, 2, 3 push, nagkaroon tayo ngayon ng pin bar, bearish pin bar. So itong bearish pin bar, titingnan natin, valid ba itong parang may sense ba itong pin bar? Kasi pag walang sense ay maaaring lang yan, fake na setup. Ito may sense kasi we have here 1, 2, and third push. And after a third push up during a session ay pwedeng magkaroon ng reversal, di ba? So anong gagawin? So after mo makita yung pin bar, then nagkaroon dito ng breakdown sa pin bar, it's not a trade right away. Okay, so yung gagawin natin ay ibabox natin yan. Yung pin bar from the low and the high of the pin bar including the wick. And then, hayaan natin mag-breakdown muna. Then, hantayin natin yung pagbabalik ng candle. So, i-remind natin itong replay natin yung bars. Okay? One more. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan. Breakdown na. Okay? Then, punta ka sa 1 minute. Yan. So, ito yung interesting area. Kaya 1 minute pala. Okay. So, ito, inside the box is the interesting part. The pin bar range. So, okay. Palitan ko lang yung color nito. Lagay ko red. So, gamitin ko ulit yung yellow. So, from this high to this low, ibabox ko ulit siya. Yellow. So, bakit dito? Kasi as you can see, nag-breakout. Tapos nag-post. Tapos, boom naman. So, this is the last leg of the up move. So, dito pumasok yung mga last long trades. At nandito yung stop loss na sa baba. So, ipabox ko yan. So, aantayin ko na mag-breakdown sa box so I can create this complete box. So, pasok dito yung yung mga long trades, then stop out sila dito. But, hindi pa ito yung, sell setup. Okay? Hahayaan natin na bumalik yung price sa range inside the box. Okay? Okay. Ayun. Bumalik na. Balik na. And then, nagpakita siya ng weakness. Ay. Oops, maling button. So sorry. Shift. And then, ayan. So, ito yung first box. Mayroon tayo ng second box from this. Kasi breakdown na. So, this to here, it's another box. Okay. Then, meron tayo dalawang box. So, haantayin ulit natin yung price na bumalik. at this area. Actually, that area is, if you measure from the first box to this, is actually the 50 to 60% of the first box. So itong area will be interesting area for shorting, or also you can consider na pwedeng stop hunt muna dito yung mga nag-short early. May mga stop losses nakaupo dyan, set, and saka natin siya iso-short. Okay? Hanap lang ako ng brush. So natin mag-breakdown sa box and then balik and then stop hunt dito sa taas. Mga stop losses dito. Then short natin. Pag makita tayo ng rejection candle, bearish candle. Okay. Then i-play natin. Ayun. So, ayan. So, stop hunt na dito. Yung antay na lang natin sa bearish candle. Like this. So, pwede mo nang i-short yan. So, short, sell, pam. Stop loss ay above this high ng first box. Tagyan mo lang ng 1 bar above that. So, ano ba yung 1 bar na yan? So, ito yung parang maliit na bar. Then, lagay mo yan sa taas. So, yan ang pinaka-volatility buffer natin. So, lagay ko ay orange yung stop loss natin. So, at tingnan mo yung nangyayari. Yun, no? And then, by the way, what time? So, ito yung after 11 a.m. So, after 11 a.m. Central Europe time. So, 11 a.m. that's actually after the first 3 hours candle window ng London. But after 11, nagkakaroon ng ibang behavior yung pair. So, 9 to 11, bullish, diba? 9 to 11, papaangat. Pero actually, it is a pump setup. So, tingnan natin kung ma-stop out tayo. Wala, hindi tayo na-stop out. So, actually, at by the way, ito, pwede mo measure yung target like this. So, nandito tayo nagsiset up sa between two round numbers. So, this will be 75. So, between two round numbers, 75. Then, target natin 75 pips pababa. So, marahil dito sa 1.2 or sa low ng previous day. Okay? And since bearish ito, pwede rin itong mapunta dito sa mid ng two round numbers or dito sa next round number. So, tingnan natin ano yung nangyari today. Yun, no? Okay, so opening ng stock market, target take profit na before nag-open sa stock market. Then nag-bounce back pa after 4 p.m. Then today still went lower. I mean to this level. So ano nangyayari dito basically ay ini-stop hunt niya yung mga may stop losses sa previous day low. So, it's a target of everyone. So, pagka hit niyan, so may mga naglo-close ng trade kaya umaangat yung price. Pero mayroon pa rin nagsisell kasi downtrend nga yung trend for the day. So, ayan, flatten. This was a very good setup for today. Okay, so that's it.